G'day guys, Alex Ryan here and welcome back to another video. If you are based here in Australia or New Zealand and you're looking to get something started on Amazon, all right, and the number one thing that's holding you back is potentially, hey Alex, listen, I want to learn about this. I want to get started on Amazon, but the biggest thing is basically I don't know what to sell. I have no idea what to sell on Amazon. And guys, I hear this all the time. You know, what is the hottest product right now? Or what is a low competition, simple product, right? With no batteries or none of these headaches of doing drones or pizza ovens or anything like that, right? What is a simple product? What is a low competition product, but it's doing well, so there's good margins in it? What should I sell on Amazon? So we're going to cover that in this video on today's session. So talk to you real soon. Welcome back, guys. So what product is good right now? What product is trending right now? Let me tell you guys, my students were involved in mainly 3 to 5 different categories, and those categories are quite stretched and sparse, right? So they cover multiple categories, but a lot of them does come down to baby products. So products that are, for example, baby clothing. We've got a lot of students. I'm trying to tell you the categories and the range of products without actually revealing what exactly the product is, right? But baby clothing, you got baby feeding apparatus, you got baby recreational sort of toys, that kind of thing. You got baby with the baby range. There's a lot of different niches within the baby range. You got the newborns, you got the 0 to 6 and 6 to 12 months. You got 12, a year to 2 years, 2 years to 5 years. You got all these different ranges, right? So baby products. The reason why babies are so, in terms of products, are so profitable is if you have a great label, your own brand. I'm sure if you're watching this right now, that may have crossed your mind where you want to bring in your own brand onto Amazon and sell your own brand of clothing or your own brand of baby apparatus, right? If you have, then the advantage of the baby is once a mum buys from you, let's say for example she has a newborn, she buys a great product from you and she loves the product, she loves the brand, all her friends in the mums groups are asking about it, right? She has an attachment to that brand, right? So if you bring out something else related to that product, right, there's going to be a brand attachment to that and she might end up buying the other products in your brand, right? So we actually got students right now who are doing something like this, where if they jump on a niche, they build out not just one product, but maybe 3 to 5 different products in that same niche. They brand it the same product, and that way there's brand awareness across 5 different products, right? Does that make sense? So that's kind of what you want to do. So a lot of our students are in the baby niche, and they're doing that with these particular products, right? So another category that we're in is pet products, pet supplies, pet products, pet automatic feeding bowls, right? We've got people bringing their own pet apparatus, like in terms of clothing and leashes and collars and all that sort of stuff, right? There's a lot of places where you can go with pets. Pets is a great niche because when you give the dog a toy, right? And I've got a dog and her toys are lying around everywhere and half of them are chewed over, right? So when the dog destroys the toy, what do you have to do? You have to buy a new one, right? So there's a great demand for those particular products as well. And the products that we typically jump on, and myself as well as my students, are products that are used either every day or every 2 or 3 or 4 days, right? Now, if you jump on niches like camping or fishing or hiking or things like that, that's a someday item. It's like, someday we'll do that. Or, yeah, we do that once every 3 months, right? But the reason we jump on these everyday items like pet products, household products, kitchen products, kitchen utensils, right? Everyone has a kitchen. Everyone's going to need, for example, a wooden fork, right? Or a spatula. And by the way, we're not involved in those products really, per se, but everyone's got a kitchen. So everyone's going to need stuff related around a kitchen. A lot of people have babies. Same thing, right? So there's more of a demand, right? Same thing with pets, right? So there's more of a demand for those products, whereas camping, hiking, fishing, there's only a certain type of group of people that go fishing. Same thing of hiking, right? So the pool is not as big. Does that make sense? So that's kind of why you want to go onto these categories. And these are just 2 or 3 of them, right? There's a lot of categories that involve products that are used every 2 to 3 days. So guys, if you're thinking right now about products and you're thinking, God, Alex, I just want to get a product. I just want to get a niche. First thing you got to think about is what niche you want to get involved with. Now, I do help you with that. If you're struggling for ideas, if you're struggling for niche, right? I do help my students with that. So you can call in, or you can basically sign up to one of our free trainings or free webinars, right? Or join our actual program, our 12-month or even 24-month program, where we actually do train you on helping you find products, finding great quality niches, great quality suppliers, as well as listing it on Amazon. Okay, I actually sometimes get involved and help you list the product for you. All right, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Start thinking about niches. What niche do you want to get involved with? And ask yourself, is this niche an everyday niche? Is the product going to be used every 1 to 3 days, or is it going to be every 3 months? So you got to ask yourself that. Have a great day, guys. My name's Alex Ryan. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to visit my website. If you have any questions and you want to join our program, give us a call at the office. The number's on the screen, 02-8003-7534. That number again is 02-8003-7534. My name's Alex Ryan. Thanks for joining me. Have a fantastic day, and I wish you the best on your Amazon journey. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.